20:1 Implant Contra Angle Long Screw Type Full Unit Takedown and Repair. Disassembly procedure. Unscrew the long screws at the bottom by screwdriver. Remove the head. Remove the drive shaft with tools. Detach the rear cover and core. Take out the rubber seal, flat washer, and spring washer. Unscrew the large nut with tools. Remove the base. Take out the drive shaft. Assembly procedure. Reinstall the washers on the head. Follow order: rubber seal, flat washer, spring washer. Reattach the core and the rear cover into the then tighten. Inject lubricating at the gear of shaft and the threaded part of the head. Screw the shaft tightly into the head. Reattach the shaft and the base, screw the large nut and lubricating. Press the assembled parts into the body until it snaps shut. Screw the large nut into the body and tighten. Lubricate the gear of the shaft. Then press the assembled head into the body until it snaps shut. Rotate the bird to check if the internal transmission shaft turns. Smooth rotation. Install the screw onto the body. Check again if the internal transmission shaft turns smoothly.